Hey, come here. Show me how it spins. No, scoot back so I can see it spin. Do you like it?
Mhm.
Why do you like that dress?
Because I do.
Because it spins?
Mhm.
What else does it do?
Get on the ground.
When you get on the ground, it's all poofy.
What?
It's poofy when you're on the ground? What is it then?
It's spinning.
It's spinning. Hey, come here. Can you say, thank you, Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.
Are you a robot?
Thank you, Grandma.
What grandma got you that dress?
Down North Carolina.
Do you miss her?
No.
You don't miss Grandma?
Oh, Papa's gonna be mad.
She's gonna be mad.